Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to go check out some supercars at Porsche Orlando. I guess they throw a supercar event every once in a while on top of their parking garage, so it's going to be sick. I haven't been to one of those, so really looking forward to seeing all the different cars there and kind of like the mods that they've done to them. I'm sure we're going to see some sick set of wheels and stuff like that, so really looking forward to it. And we're going to go ahead and get some gas and get some food and then head to Jonathan's where we're going to meet up and then ride out from there. Gotta get the shell gas. Get that V-Power Nitro Plus, those additives, you know. The best 93 on the block. Supposedly. Definitely not. Alright, so we just fueled up, and make sure you guys check out Get Upside. It's a good app for you to get cash back, and I'll leave a code in my description below in this video, just so you guys can check it out and get some extra cash back. Gotta get the Chick-fil-A. Paid for the mobile order. Should I?
Tyler?
Yes. Thank you. Don't pull out in front of me. I love it when people do that. There goes Jonathan. What's good? What's good?
What's up? Hey, look at that. Place you want to be on a Saturday.
happened?
You're automatic, so it's easy to go up hills. I was in second gear and I was stalling out, so I was like, oh, let me throw it in first. I pulled it too hard, threw that bitch in reverse and went down like really freaking fast. And I was like, oh fuck, slam the brake, pull it out of reverse, throw it back in the first and just went.
Damn.
The irony is there was people next to me, so they were probably like, look at this idiot.
Oh
but
my God.
I was like, holy shit. Scared the fuck out of myself. I thought the Lambo was behind me and I was like, oh fuck.
Gonna drift into the Lambo?
Yeah, it's done. It's game over.
Yeah.
It's game over. But
holy crap.
the car's good, the diffuser's good, the exhaust is good, bumper's good, trunk is good. Wait, is that you?
Got a fellow BMW pulling up. Drop top red interior.
Is that a 4.6?
Yeah.
That's legit Laguna. That's the Heritage, I think.
guys? What the?
Huh? I think I know you. What the? I didn't see you. I just want to see your car.
You don't know me.
It's good. Holly, right? I think.
Uh,
I think.
what's up, Nick?
Did he?
So, got here is the next generation of the 911 GT3. Or is not of it. Play somebody else. All right. Enjoy.
Oh yeah.
Hard to see.
The 4.0. Good Lord, it was hot up there. We are done. Saw enough supercars that I can't afford. One day. One day. Goes the wagon. Pull up to Earl's. Grab some food.
We're in California. Riverside.
Yeah, for real.
Hey.
We in the hills.
We're in the hills.
This is what Earl's is about. Alrighty guys, so we just parked up here at the Ferrari dealership. I've never been here before, but I've always driven past it on the highway. So we're gonna go check it out here with Jonathan, Chris, Nick, and his friend Danny. So it's be pretty cool to come in, see the Ferraris, and it's a really nice dealership too. Got all the Ferraris, not out here. We got the Maseratis out here. I can hear it rumbling up there. Woo! It's a like silk car cover. Got a little M8 action. Because we were just at the Porsche dealership this morning, checking all the supercars. Now we're at Maserati Ferrari. Good morning. There you go.
Yeah, hello. Thank you.
What's my OCT picks up this? Oh, that ain't nothing.
That'd be a nice wreck for that baby. Sad black.
Yeah, Chris lives here, so.
Well, he's on that flower.
This is cool.
Chris,
So this is the one I want to buy right there. They're working on it right now.
Uh-huh.
That's the one I just bought. Yeah, I'm gonna take it for a spin
Let's do it.
and then bring it home. Bring it home.
Psych.
Bro, I'm for sure putting a clown emoji on your face.
I'll go check out the new C8, bro. Oh, never mind.
Looks like a C8 for real.
It literally does look like a C8. Well, the C8 looks like that. Make all these millionaires.
A kid can dream.
What's my pound?
Imagine
Let's go, Paul.
owning one of these.
Man, man's got the Gucci belt, bro. Remember me? You know? Boy, I love Ferrari, bro.
It's hilarious.
And the fact that.
Oh, that's yours? Oh, okay. Let me take it for a drive.
Yeah.
All right, moment of truth. Sticker price, $134. Suggested retail, but $200K for an M4.
Trying to see how many miles it has and everything. Gotta be under 10.
Odometer 6 miles.
Oh, it's on there?
Yeah, it's brand new.
6 miles?
That's insane.
Wow. 6 miles. Literally drove it from the port to here.
Yeah.
That's it.
You get these grills real quick.
What are you guys doing down here?
Huh? Am I in turbo?
Turbo's in there? Ooh.
What motor is this? I don't know.
You can barely see it.
There's
Right
two
there.
turbos. There's one probably V8 turbo. There's one right there. The fact that they made this car when it was like in the 70s. Nuts. Well, since we're here, we might as well hit a Lamborghini. Right?
If you're in Italy,
Yeah.
like Chris said, you're about to get love bugs all up in your face. But that brown leather is,
Yeah, that's sick.
that looks like some luxury.
The car from her back, sheesh. So I wonder what the fuck is here.
What happened to the grill?
But I hit it, and I guess I'm gonna be replacing this soon. Ripperoonies.
Ouch.
Yep, and then that's a little scuffed up too, but damn. Was this
All
there?
part of it.
Was
Nah.
this there earlier?
Nah. I didn't see it.
What? Were you recording by chance?
Might have been. We can check. Dude, I got some scrapes too. Look like right here. Oh, that's just crud.
Are we actually there?
Interesting. All right, I think that's going to effectively wrap up this vlog. It was a fun ass day. Seeing all the supercars on the rooftop of the Porsche dealership. So that was sick. Saying bye to the homies. Jonathan, Nick, Chris, Danny. Nice to meet you. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the supercars that Orlando has to offer for the most part. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Smash that like button, hit subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.